Good morning, students. Students, we are here with another quiz of biology. Let's start the quiz. But before the quiz, let's have some important points about biological classification and organisms. First point is that diatoms are the chief producer in the oceans. Second one is in bacteria, the ribosomes are present singly or in groups called polyribosomes. So next is the cell wall of bacteria contain acetylglucosamine, acetylmuramic acid and a peptide chain of 5 amino acids, and these together are known as peptidoglycans. Next, transduction was discovered by Zinder and Lederberg in 1952 in Salmonella typhimurium. And about transduction we have discussed in yesterday's video. Next is mycoplasmas. What do you mean by mycoplasmas? Mycoplasmas are the smallest free living organisms. These are the smallest free living organism, and these are also known as PPLO, that is pleuropneumonia like organism, and nowadays we call them mycoplasmas. So these are the important points. Let's start our quiz. First question is, jokers of the plant kingdom are mycoplasma, bacteria, cyanobacteria or fungi. The answer is mycoplasmas. Cell wall is absent in bacteria, plants, mycoplasmas, none. Answer is mycoplasmas. Which of the following are found in extreme saline conditions? Archaebacteria, eubacteria, cyanobacteria or none? Answer is Archaebacteria. Next is, viroids have protein coat, nucleic acid, both, none. The answer is nucleic acid. Next question, heterocysts are present in mycoplasma, cyanobacteria, both or none? The answer is cyanobacteria. Next question is, choose the correct option. Single cell protein is spirulina. Yoyoko nostoc commune. Skin infection, Langibia, or all of the above? The answer is all of the above. Oldest living fossils are cyanobacteria, mycoplasmas, archaebacteria or none? The answer is archaebacteria. Next is, pollution indicators are lichens, cyanobacteria, fungi or none? The answer is lichens. Cell wall of bacteria is made up of peptidoglycan, lignin, cellulose, glycogen. The answer is peptidoglycan. Red tide is caused by Nautilus, Gymnodinium, Goniolix, all of the above? The answer is all of the above. So let's click on the finish button and we will get our score above, that is 10 out of 10. So these are the questions. Let's discuss these questions one by one. Jokers of the plant kingdoms are known as mycoplasmas. Why these are called the jokers of the plant kingdom? Because they changes their shape very fast. They don't have any definite shape. Sometimes they are circular in form, sometimes they are in spiral form. So they don't have a definite shape. That's why these are known as jokers of plant kingdom. Next question is, cell wall is absent in bacteria. Have a cell wall, we all know. Plants have cell wall. The only option that left behind is mycoplasma. They do not have a definite cell wall. They have cell membrane. Next is, which of the following are found in extreme saline conditions? Archaebacteria. Archaebacteria are the primitive prokaryotic cells actually. They are found in every conditions, in extreme conditions, not only in saline condition but in other extreme conditions also, like in hot and acidic conditions or in saline conditions or in strict anaerobic conditions like in swamps, marshes. So based on that habitat, they are of three kinds. First is methanogens. Methanogens are strictly anaerobic. These are also found in the guts of some animals, like in humans. That's why that cow dung is used to prepare methane gas, biogas. Next is halophiles. Halophiles occur in extreme saline conditions. And thermoacidophils, these are the archaebacteria that occur in hot and acidic conditions. You must learn the example of each one. That can come into your examination. Next question is, viroids have protein coat, nucleic acid, both or none? The answer is protein coat. Viroids are actually the infectious particles that have only nucleic acid. Nucleic acid in the form of RNA, a free form of RNA, smaller one. And viruses are the infectious particles that have protein and whelp, and in protein and whelp they have genetic material or nucleic acid. This genetic material or nucleic acid may be RNA or DNA. So this is the difference between viroids and viruses. Next is heterocyst. Heterocysts are present in cyanobacteria. Like cyanobacteria, they have a chain-like structure. And in these cells, in between these cells, certain cells are very thick-walled and they do not have nucleic acid. These are known as heterocysts. They have many functions. They can withstand the harsh conditions. They have nitrogenase enzymes in that helps in nitrogen fixation, because in these cells oxygen is absent. So nitrogen enzymes are safe here because they can't withstand the oxygen conditions. So heterocysts are found in cyanobacteria. Next is choose a correct option. So all these options are correct. Let's discuss one by one. Single cell protein. Spirulina is a single cell protein. It's a cyanobacteria actually. Next is yoyoko. Yoyoko is a food dish, we can say, that is prepared with nostoc commune. In South Africa, it is used in daily dinners or in lunch. Next, Lingvia. This is also a cyanobacteria that causes skin infection. So these all options are correct. Next question is oldest living fossil. But Archaebacteria is the oldest living fossil. Next, pollution indicators. Yes, very important. Lichens are the pollution indicators, and they actually indicate specifically sulfur dioxide pollution, the pollution related to the sulfur. So lichens are pollution indicators. Next, what do you mean by lichens? Lichens are the symbiotic relationship between alga and fungi, and the structure that actually obtained from their association, that structure is known as lichen. And the fungal partner is known as mycobiont, and algal partner is known as phycobiont. Cell wall of bacteria is made up of, we have studied in the important points, that is made up of peptidoglycan. Next is red tide is caused by Nautilus, Gymnodium or Goniolax. And the answer is all of the above. These three are dinoflagellates. In our future videos, we will study dinoflagellates. So that's all for today. These are the 10 questions, and if you want to do such kind of quizzes, so you can visit our site, that is sciencematheducationplatform.in. and if you like today's video, so please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks a lot.